If you want to learn how to create a Grammarly affiliate account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can get your affiliate application started quickly and confidently. This is especially helpful if you want to promote Grammarly on a website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media account and start earning through their affiliate program. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to like this video and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to grammarly.com/affiliates. This is the official Grammarly affiliates page, and it's where you'll begin the application process. Once the page loads, you'll see the main affiliate options available. From here, click Become an Affiliate. This is the button that starts your application and takes you into the program setup. Next, Grammarly will ask you to choose the program option that best fits your platform and audience. If you run a website or blog, choose Grammarly. If you create content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, choose Grammarly Creator. And if your audience is more focused on productivity, workplace tools, or business communication, then Superhuman Mail may be the better fit. Choosing the right program matters because it helps Grammarly match your content with the right affiliate offer. After selecting the option that fits your platform, click Apply Now. This moves you into the actual application flow. At this point, you'll be shown the contract terms. Take a moment to review them carefully since this is the agreement for participating in the affiliate program. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the terms page. Once you reach the end, check the box that says I have read and accepted the terms. Then click Continue to move forward. After that, Grammarly will ask you to sign in. If you already have a Grammarly account, you can use your existing credentials to log in. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account and continue from there. Once you sign in, your affiliate account setup can continue through the next steps inside Grammarly's system. And that's it. You now know how to create a Grammarly affiliate account the right way. It's a simple process, but choosing the correct program and accepting the terms carefully are both important steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.